Today we're taking my ants out of the fridge. What? As I'm European and these ants are European, they need the winter that we have in Europe. Why? Well, it's just a biological clock. But they have now been stuck in a fridge for months and it's time to give them their first feast. And as the ants are waking up, they're slowly going out to discover the new food. But the ants also need a little bit of protein, so I've also given them a little bit of mealworms head, and you can see the small cute ants are exploring all of the new food. And it doesn't take long before all of the colonies that are just waking up are discovering that there's food on the table. The sugar is energy for the workers and the protein is, well, protein for the queen and the next generation of ants. And a few minutes later we can see that all of the colonies are waking up and they are out eating. Now all of these setups need a big clean before they're ready for this year, but I want to say follow for more.